New mom URMILA Sharma just gave birth via C-section to a baby with 2 heads. The newborn actually has 2 heads, 2 necks, 2 spines, but only 1 body. The mom was unaware that there were any complications during her pregnancy because she was too poor to have an ultrasound. The baby was born weighing 7 pounds and 7 ounces and hasn't been named yet. Their doctor said, "We only came to know she was carrying conjoined twins after an ultrasound 2 weeks ago, but it was too late to do anything by then." Conjoined twins who share a single body have dicephalic parapagus, an extremely unusual form of containment. Because they share the same body, it's not possible to separate dicephalic parapagus twins. Unfortunately, doctors are saying the chance for survival are very slim. They stated, "Now the baby is born, we'll do our best to save her, and we hope to operate once her condition is more stable."